I better find your loving.
Okay, so I haven't started a vlog like this in a while, but why not? It's about to be the weekend, and these are the type of vlogs you guys gonna get. Know that it's no longer vacation time. So all of the DR vlogs been finished. The last vlog that you guys saw, that was the last vlog for the DR vlog. A girl there work. It's Friday, and the weather is bad today. It's actually raining. It has been raining all morning. Well, not early. It was raining early this morning, then it stopped. Now it is raining, but let's start off the vlog phone. Let you know what's up. What's the updates that you guys have been missing out on? What's up? Sit down. I have actually started my healthy journey. I'm not really going to share that much here on the channel because I don't want when I stop. It's like me kind of run a circle. Savannah, your work. I don't want to carry guys around in circles, but yeah, that's just the update. Started my journey again. If I can't hear the rain in the background, yeah. But that's the only update I have for you guys. When it comes down to me, tomorrow I'm gonna get my hair permed, and I have a doctor's visit tomorrow. So yeah, but I'll keep you guys posted. For today, I'll be going to the supermarket. We get here, so you know it's a grocery shopping time. I have to do a stop in Port Maria to get some seasoning that are cheaper, that are unsalted and cheaper, that I saw the other day when I went there. And I also saw a subscriber then. If you're watching, just leave it down in the comment section. But I'm not even sure if I'll keep the clipper because I'm not sure what the audio is like because it's raining. But yeah, that's the update for you guys. So, and even if this might not be the intro, so let's see what I got for you guys. So that's the update. I'm at work. It's Friday and I can't wait for it to be 2:30 just to through the door, got me out, and just do whatever errands I have to do while I'm on my way home. So yeah, my parent was having like a luncheon or something like that, and I totally forgot, and I ordered jerk chicken and festival. Breadfruit was my first option, but they didn't have any breadfruit, so yeah, festival a bit oily, but okay. I'm hungry, so came on the right time. Guys, I'm now in the supermarket in Progressive in Oceans, and I'm doing some grocery shopping. Yeah, I'm doing some grocery shopping. The yard empty, so that's so cool. Yeah, a lot of things that we used to love, I am not seeing them in the supermarket anymore. Like we used to love this Kellogg cereal. I'm gonna see it. Let me turn on the camera. Kellogg used to have this cereal, like it comes something like this with honey, but it come out for the market, then come back with these one where after $1,000 for one cereal. We're not spend $1,000 for one cereal, so we have to try and find something else that is healthy and can work. We tried this, but I don't like it. I don't know why. But so far, this is what I have. I have a lot of veggies and no longer doing regular dairy milk, no almond milk. Vanilla is the only one I like. So even though I have a lot of milk, let me put in the AirPods so the audio does not become low. Give me a minute. Alright. So even though I have a lot of healthy stuff, I still have to get like stuff like macaroni and cheese for my child because my child loves this stuff. Yes, my husband is my child. Him love him because something and I can't kill him. So, you know, to pretend to change everything like I am. So yeah. Alright, so I remember I was saying that I don't think they have the plantain chips in Jamaica. but so them have it here in a Grace brand. I'm wondering if it tastes the same, but guess how much you want? $274. $500 between $500 plus tax. $600 between $300 for one. I'm gonna buy one. I'm gonna buy one and try it. I can't believe it's so expensive. I'm gonna buy only one. Only one. Mega buy and try it. Oh my god, I don't know what's going on with me, but that's not me anymore. I mean, can't find none that's really up to par with my diet and all of those stuff. I can't. Hi guys, so I'm on my way coming from the hairdresser in Linstead. But I'm not pleased. I'm not too pleased. I'm not pleased. I'm not like, I'm not pleased. But I'm just gonna work with it. The hairdresser I wanted to go to, the one that I went to initially, she did too flippant because I'm always late for go everywhere. I did that pan rush, so I did have to just cut out and go back at the old one I used to go to. Yeah, but here's the dilemma, you know. I am on my way to Oakland. I'm rushing. So I'm using the toll because I'm late. Of course, I'm late. This is Tash. I'm late. And I only have $1,300. And I'm trying to remember if to take the toll. My episode on top. This is a police section. I'm trying to remember to take the toll from Linstead to Oakland if it is. Alright, no popo. If it is $1,300. I can't remember, but based on my calculation, me get $1,250. So I'm saying it must be like $1,300 because from Linstead to Ochi, Mama Beer, it's about the same journey from it's about the same journey from Manig to go out to Caymanas. So at this point I have my fingers crossed because they're crossed because if it's more than $1,300 I'm not have more money, so I'm not know how me I gotta do. Now I'm gonna have US in the car. I'm not have US in here. I'm not even cent more. I had $5,000 and I spend it on something. So right now this is the dilemma for me. And I'm not sure what the conclusion is. But I don't know how much I'm gonna pay. So I'm hoping that it is $1,300 and I not have to pay no more than that. If anything, it might be less. So let's see. Alright, let's see. With the toll any corner when we can't see, I always cut my speed because no police. Nah, give me a ticket. Clear, so can't touch my gas. Yeah, so I'm heading to Oakland now. It's 2:20 something. The appointment says 2:30. I'ma just pass Unity Valley. I'm gonna reach Grove yet. You know I'm gonna reach Grove, that means I'm gonna near for reach Mama Beer yet. Rain go fall, look like rain fall before, and me have close my line like that. Alright guys, so that's the update. $1,300. Thank God, because I never have not even $1 more. Look here, I literally crossed my finger when I'm approaching the toll. Oh my God, I'm late. I called though, but I'm 15 minutes out. I think I'm more, but hurrying and the road wet. It's not the day to hurry, but yeah. serious. The last time since me in the doctor's appointment. Made it to the doctor's appointment. I was late, but I was late for my time given unto me, but I was not late for the appointment because I had to wait on somebody to go inside. And when I went there, somebody was there. Anyways, at the mango me I shown, I just bought some Julie mango, $12 for what? 6. Excited for go and go eat this. Yeah, I'm so excited to go home and eat my Julie mango. However, I'm in Ultra. I did supermarket grocery yesterday. So today I'm just going to go see if I get some lettuce, and I have a prescription to full. And that's about it. Look at me walking. Look at me walking on the road. I know they're not sure no look nothing for be walking in the road. Even if you are a subscriber watching this, don't walk in the road. Come out of the road. Come on, man. You cannot be walking in the road. Yeah. So I have a song to share with you guys. This song is my new favorite gospel song. My new favorite gospel song is titled "In the Room" by Tashoya and let me go look and tell you now. Hold on. Guys, it look like Tasha alone sing it. Because I'm not seeing that name I come up. I'm not coming on the internet. Why them seller? I have to be walking in the road. Tell me why. When I sell donut, when I walking on the road. When I sell peanut, when I walk out on the road. Oh my god. Anyways, the song is, if you know it, let me know in the comment section. But it's Tashoya "In the Room." Oh god. My new favorite song. My new favorite song. Yeah. I don't know. I'm on a different journey right now. I'm just scratch off on something my heart. I'm on a different journey right now. My it's different, like everything. For me right now, it's like my priority is a lot of things that, you know, I don't know. I thought growing up at this age would I be like this type of person. Love the road, love this, love the yaga, baga baga. But being 26, being married, there are a lot of things that, for me, my priority has changed a lot for me, and my focus is just on different things, different things, and you know, yeah, I operate different right now. Like everything for me is literally different. Tomorrow, I got church for sure. But they tell Cher, so we all go to church. We invite Cher. She must text her tonight and remind her. We need to text her tonight and remind her about church tomorrow for sure. But guys, go listen to the song. Go listen to the song. What's going on? I hate bag face. Hold on. I like bags, you know. Oh yeah, bag. I want this spot here. Come on. Me want this spot. Don't want the close here, man. Somebody take it, it's okay. I really want this spot there. I need to go out to find a spot now, but oh, Mr. One spot. Somebody are going there. Guys, babe went fishing today. Look at the bigger fish I went catch. It not even look big on the phone. What up here? Phone. Big old fish. In big for you. Look up. Look on the side of the sink. And look on the length. And pass the half of it. Big fish. Biggest fish you ever catch. How you feel? Yeah, so make sure to watch your YouTube channel. See when I'm going with out on the water there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Grizz Live TV. I'm going to leave it on the screen. Alright? One big fish this door. So be the one you have to me, not sure? Not that big for you. You say biggest fish you catch you next time.
The point was this. I And then I beg God for bless me with one big one for myself.
No, that the story was before I said the biggest fish that catch the next time was mine.
Yeah, and then I catch this one.
So you know that you have to sell your fish, you know? Oh.
It all cook wala. Nah, cookie pizza.
Yeah, cooking more like that.
I mean.
Alright guys, go over Grace's channel. Alright guys, so today is Monday and I'm here. As you guys saw over the weekend. Yep. So you find it? Come let me see what you have. So you guys saw over the weekend I went and got my hair permed. And it's Monday. We're starting over the cycle again. We're back at work. So, you know the regular routine. I have to come at work. I have to do the do. So come and let me see what you have. I have to do the whole routine and everything. So, let me see. Where is it? Where's the word that you found? Alright, so the word is intelligent. And it said good at thinking and learning. Alright, let me see if you have any. Alright. So you're going to write, after you write what's on the board, you're going to write the meaning here. Good at thinking and learning. So make sure you have on the board, you have it in your book, but you're only going to write your word and then you're going to write the meaning. Make sure you have the meaning for vocabulary, okay? Okay? You and Kelisa. Yeah, so I'm just here. So basically today I'm gonna get one day in my life. So we're starting off. Right now like it's about after 10 and I'm just marking the register. And I'm already on to my second class for the day. I'm teaching language arts. Yeah, so I'm marking the register. Then soon in a few minutes it will be break times. I'll show you guys my break. I'll show you guys my lunch. Yeah, and in a long time. Oh, today there's a meeting. So today's gonna be a longer day. So I have a little staff meeting. So today's gonna be a longer day. And yeah. But that's what's up. Yeah, so stay tuned. I don't know, I don't feel like you guys like to do our vlogs. I don't know, the content are getting the views that I'm expecting or I would you know. Yes. So I don't know, I just feel as if you guys don't really like the DR vlog, but it's what it is. I'm still doing my content and give it guys it. And yeah, so I'm currently working on children and finish the work until I'm 10 minutes to write down the meaning. And that's what's up. I'm giving you guys an over to you for my look today. What you laughing about? Alright, so that's me for today. I'm not sure if I put that in the vlog. I don't know if I like my position or whatever. But yeah, so I'm catching the guys lunchtime. I'm talking lunchtime. Alright, he's like, so guys, I was gone. It seems like my head taking water. I never must have did a vlog. So I need to come vlog phone. However, I'm not home. But I'm gonna end out this vlog. Yeah, but I remember saying that vlog. I remember showing them my lunch. I never remember showing them my break. Like I totally forgot. Like Chichi must say I want my brain. I said I was gonna give you guys a day in my life, and I didn't get to do that. But as I said, I'm not home, so yeah. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm gonna exercise now because we're gonna go on the road soon, and I really want to get my exercise in because if I go on the road, when I come back I won't get the exercise in. So yeah, I'm trying to do more regular vlogs for you guys now. So I'm gonna try my best to see if I can record today when we go out on the road. But that's it for this vlog. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share. Go check out my husband's channel. He's trying to grow his fishing channel, so go support him. If you're supporting me, I'd really appreciate if you guys will support him. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog, and take care. Bye.